رحم الله من ذكر القائم من آل محمد. بسم الله. بسم الله. بسم الله. يا حسين يا حسين يا حسين.
My Hussein is hurting. My Hussein is hurting. My Hussein is hurting. Zainab cried and wiped her tears. My Hussein is hurting. She wants to see her brother. My Hussein is hurting. For Zainab we cry loudly. My Hussein is hurting. Zainab cried and wiped her tears. My Hussein is hurting. Hussein, I give my life and my years. My Hussein is hurting. I ask you to watch me when my time's near. Zainab cried and wiped her tears. My Hussein is hurting. My Hussein is hurting. Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein. Zainab's in Karbala crying in pain. Oh my dear brother, where are you, Hussein? Oh my Hussein, oh my Hussein, oh my Hussein. Zainabun في الطفوف تنادي يا ابن أمي صدعت فؤادي وحسينا وغريبا وشهيدا وحسينا وغريبا وشهيدا. زينب في الطفوف تنادي يا ابن أمي صدعت فؤادي وحسينا غريبا شهيدا وحسينا After the bloodshed and after the worst, after her sons would lay cut up in thirst, after they dragged her on a victory parade, for months in a prison, her husband's amazed. Oh my dear wife, you were so young, your hair is now white. Husband of mine, your Zainab has seen the worst day in sight. We are the Prophet's own family and blood, the ship of salvation when lost in the flood. Our doorsteps were known by you beggars the most. Is this how you treat us, the heavenly hosts? If you will leave and want to do wrong, then we are the ones. Leave us to death, but Hassan and he are Prophet's own son. Zainabun fi tufufi tunadi, yabna ummi sada'ta fuadi, wa Husayna wa ghariba wa shahida, wa Husayna wa ghariba wa shahida. Out of the tents came the son of Hussein, who looked like the Prophet and bore Ali's name. He fought off the throngs with a Hashemi sword, defending his mother, his father, his Lord. The youth was brought down, the truth was brought down, and falsehood fulfilled. And from afar it looked like to us the Prophet was killed. Zainabun fi tufufi yabna ummi sada'ta fuadi, wa Husayna wa shahida, wa Husayna shahida. Riding on horseback to make his last stand, Abbas came bravely with water in hand. Soldiers surrounding him, soon he would fall. Stabbing and butchering, we saw it all. With tears in his eyes for his Abbas, the Sayyid came there. Oh my Mawla, if I had more would I spare. Zainabun fi tufufi tunadi, yabna ummi sada'ta fuadi, wa Husayna wa ghariba wa shahida, wa Husayna.